Do you want to be in more control of your finances, understand where your money is actually going? Then this video is for you. I'm going to be doing a deep dive into the Empower app, and it's a free budgeting and net worth tracking tool that's going to help you gain financial freedom. So let's start with what is Empower. Empower was previously known as Personal Capital. It's a comprehensive financial wellness app that combines budgeting, investing, and net worth tracking all in one convenient place. Their mission is to empower financial freedom to all, which could not line up perfectly with the savvy couple. It's free to download and sign up, and it offers both a mobile app and a web interface for easy access. Empower also offers a premium plan for those looking to get a more advanced features, but we'll get way more into that later. Hey everyone, my name is Kelan. I'm a personal finance expert who's been featured on Forbes, Business Insider, and USA Today. And on this channel, we help teach different ways to make money online, start profitable side hustles or online businesses, and help you fast track your financial freedom. So how does Empower work? Empower connects all of your financial accounts, including your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and loans through a secure connection with over 14,000 financial institutions. Empower automatically categorizes all of your transactions and gives you a complete overview of your finances. This not only saves you time, but it also eliminates all of the guesswork in budgeting. All right, so who is Empower for? Empower is for anyone that's looking to gain financial control and understand their spending habits and net worth. It's perfect for beginners who want a simple, straightforward way to track their spending and savings, but it's also great for advanced users who want more detailed insight into their investments and overall financial health. All right, so let's dive into Empower's main features. First, their budgeting. You can set a budget, you can track your spending, you can get notifications when you're close to going over your budget, and with Empower's advanced algorithm, it also suggests personalized budgets based on your spending habits and also provides you with monthly cash flow. We found the monthly cash flow to be a very powerful tool. It basically tells you your financial health for that month. If you're in the positive and in the green, you have money to save, pay off debt, put towards, your investment funds or whatever you may be. If you're in the red, you have some work to do to kind of get that cash flow back into the green. There's also a net worth tracker. This is one of my favorites. You get to see the big picture of all your finances all in one place, and Empower updates your net worth in real time so you can see how your investments and debt are doing and impacting your overall health on a daily basis. It also has investment monitoring. Empower tracks the performance of your investments and gives you insight into where you can improve. You can also create a customized portfolio and compare them to the benchmarks in the market. You also get personal recommendations. With Empower's AI technology, you get personalized recommendations to help you reach your financial goals faster, whether that's paying off your debt, saving for retirement, changing up your investment strategy. Empower has your back. All right, so let's talk about my experience. We've personally been using Empower for over a decade now, and I must say it's truly transformed our financial journey. Originally, we only used the net worth tracker because we were using Mint to budget. Now that Mint has unfortunately shut down, we've really moved everything over to Empower, and it's really given us a good overall picture of our financial management. Real quick, I'm really curious, how many of you that are watching this video right now are already tracking your net worth with another platform? And if you're brave enough, go ahead and share how old you are and what your net worth is in the comments below. I'd love to have a great community conversation there. I find the app to be extremely user-friendly and visually appealing. It's easy to navigate and understand all of our finances at a glance. And when I want to go into our monthly budget, I go over to the website, and it's super easy to change up the transactions and make sure that we are seeing where our money is being spent, which categories, and what our monthly cash flow is. All right, so when you click the link in the description, you're going to get sent over to start a free account, and you're going to register it, you're going to verify it, and then you get to personalize it by adding all of your financial institutions onto your dashboard, and then you get to see your overall financial health in this beautiful dashboard, which is what we really love about it. And this is how you can kind of manage your money, start to look at your investments and your overall financial health. All right, so I went to Empower, created a new account, added some of our financial institutions on there just so I can give you guys an overview of what to expect. Here's your net worth tracker. You can go ahead and click into that. Here's your accounts. You can kind of see where you're at as far as growing your net worth. And then your other dashboards, you have your budgeting dashboard here, where you can simply kind of set what your monthly budget is going to be. And it's going to take in your previous months. Right now, I don't have very many because I've just signed up for this account to show you guys. And this is going to be kind of where you see where your money's going. So mortgage, health, groceries, and you can quickly and easily change out these. You can manage the categories, you can change them, and then the algorithm is going to constantly be updating and eventually going to be able to auto categorize those for you. So it's super hands off, which I absolutely love. We also have the cash flow feature. So we have our income this month, $5,400, and our expenses are $53. So we're like breaking even currently. And then this is kind of your transactions. And again, you can go through and categorize those to make sure that they fit up with your budgeting. I found that to be super useful. You can kind of see where your cash flow is at the month. Quick and easy, very good. And then they give you, like I said, those personalized recommendations. You can talk to an advisor. You can see how you can make more money or save money with the investment portfolio you have set up. It's, sharing what the market's doing. You can put in retirement savings, emergency fund, goals, all that type of stuff. And then, you add your assets. I put our camper on there, our car, our home, and then you have your loans, your credit cards, your investments, cash, and then these two accounts need attention. So sometimes the connection with the financial institution will break, and you basically just sign back in, and then you're all set. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. And then another thing that I wanted to mention is the retirement planner. So this is kind of where you can go in and you can put in how much savings you have, your Social Security that you're, estimated to get, and then kind of where the money is coming from. If you have any passive income or businesses or just other areas for money. It could even be just, your job and you retire at 53. I put in that we're retiring at 50 and our expenses will probably be about $90,000 a year, and it's giving us a 99% success rate. So it's really cool. You can run different scenarios. So it's pretty cool to be able to do that. I really found that useful. You can do an investment checkup to see how you can improve upon this and, where things are at, how risky it is, how much you're spending on fees and all that stuff. So really easy to use platform, one that I highly recommend. And that's just kind of an overview of what to expect after you sign up using the link in the description. All right, so let's get into the pros and cons. The first pro is it's easy to use. The app, the interface, it's user-friendly, it's visually appealing, it makes everything easy to understand for anyone. It's a comprehensive financial tracking tool. So Empower connects all of your accounts into one place, giving you a complete overview of your finances. So you're not having to go around to different apps or different websites to find everything. It's all in one place. You also get personal recommendations. It's using its AI technology. Everyone's finances are completely different, but you get personalized recommendations, whether, it's saving more money, paying off a certain debt that has a high interest rate. It's going to recommend it personally to you in your account, and it's going to help you reach your financial goals a lot faster. Another pro is it's constantly getting updates and improvements. The app is constantly updating and improving its features to better serve the users. And I found that over the years, it's continued to get better and better, especially now that Mint has shut down. All right, let's go over some of the cons. I definitely think it's more limited than Mint was with its budgeting capabilities. It definitely doesn't have as many categories you can spend. It's not as hands-on as Mint was or other apps like EveryDollar or YNAB. But if you're looking for like a hands-off budgeting approach that is, quick, time saving, and you can see what your monthly cash flow is like, where your money is being spent. It's a very good process. Now, when you're first signing up, it's going to take you a couple months to really go through those transactions each month from your credit card or your debit card or checking account. But once you do that, it's going to recognize certain transactions and remember to categorize them correctly over time. Now, there is a premium plan for anyone that's trying to get more advanced features, but there is a monthly fee with that, which is a con always if you're trying to spend money to help with your finances. But I think that the premium plan can definitely help some individuals that really need it. So the premium plan is definitely for individuals that want help with investing and their overall financial health. You can get a financial planner. They can help you plan things out. They can help automate your investments so it's stress-free and automated. You don't even have to worry about it. So let's talk about how Empower makes money. Empower makes money through its premium plan, which offers a more advanced feature for a monthly fee, like I talked about, and through partnerships through financial institutions. So they'll give you recommendations for different bank accounts or investment accounts that they will earn a commission from. They can also help with asset management and charge a fee between 0.98 to 0.49 based on the assets that are under management. That's about an industry standard rate. It is a little bit high compared to doing stuff on your own, but if you want someone to help you, definitely something to consider. There are no commissions or transaction fees, which is definitely nice to hear. And the management fee will cover all of the client's advice for their entire portfolio, even if it's not with Empower. And again, Empower has a free version to use. This is the plan that we've always used. We've never felt the need to, go the next step and get the premium plan. We've had all the features that we need to kind of do it ourselves. So can Empower actually help you reach financial freedom and improve your financial health? In my opinion, it's a resounding absolutely yes. Empower has been a huge factor in our journey towards financial freedom. It's enabled us to easily track our expenses and monitor our investments and receive personal recommendations. And we've been able to make smarter financial decisions because of that and reach our goals faster. Plus, the app is constantly updating and improving features to better serve its users. And I always say whatever gets tracked can get improved. If you're not tracking your spending, there's no possible way you can improve. If you're not tracking your calories, there's no way you're going to be able to lose weight. We always say in our personal life and in our business that numbers rule. So when you have a dashboard that helps you organize your overall financial health, of course, it's going to help you reach your financial goals faster. So if you're looking for a new budgeting platform, investment tracker, or overall financial health tracker, you can use the link below to sign up for your free account and start taking control of your finances today. Now that you're managing your finances and tracking your net worth, that's awesome. But what about increasing your monthly income and getting that cash flow into the green? Well, in the next video, I'm going to talk about the best side hustle apps that you can use to make extra money this month. So go ahead and watch that video and let's start side hustling.